everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. So welcome back to another video. So in today's video I would be reviewing AzureBeauty dip powder kit. I have never ever gotten my nails done at salon, so this is my first time I am trying this powder kit and I'm all excited to try this one. So if you want to know more about this, so please keep on watching, and if you're new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. The reason why I wanted to review this because this is a #1 seller brand on Amazon, and this has got almost 4,000 reviews with 4.5 rating. So with the 4 simple steps you can do manicure at home by using this kit, and and it's gonna be very simple, and I'll show you like how exactly you can use this. The outer packaging of this, and in this you will be getting 20 pieces of gorgeous color nail dip powder and 4 dip liquid essentials. So this is the outer packaging of this. So let's move on to the inner packaging. So let me open this and show you guys what I have received in this.
So this is what exactly I have received.
So this is a after service card what I have received in this. So, and also I have received the user manual quick start guide. Basically tells you about how to apply the dip powder and the application steps. And in this you will be getting 20 gorgeous colored dip powder, and also you'll be getting 4 dip liquid essentials. So the first one is a base coat, top coat, activator and a brush savior, and along with that additionally you will be getting professional dip manicure tool as well. So in this you will be getting a nail brush. So this is a nail brush, and the second thing here I've received this is a cuticle pusher, and the third thing is a nail file. So it's down here. So this is a nail file what I have received in this, and also you will be receiving the 2 dip powder gel brush replacement. Now I'll show you how exactly you can apply this one to your nails. And yeah, to start off with this video, you need to wash your hand and you need to dry them thoroughly. I've already washed my hand and it's been dried, so please ignore this. This is mainly what I have applied. First step is to remove your extra cuticles and rough skin from your nails, and also you need to file your edges. So before that I'll just try to
remove extra cuticles from my nails first, and then I'll go with the nail filing. So it's gonna, you just need to remove all the
then I'll just go ahead and push my cuticles back. So this way, you know, whenever you apply your fake nails, it's gonna be like perfect, otherwise it's gonna look very odd. You can use the dip powder on your nails as well, and also on your artificial nail. So
I will be first applying the artificial nails on top of my testing. So I will be applying the dip powder on my artificial nail. So here I'm using
this is very easy to apply, and it sticks to your nail very quickly. I'm done with the sticking the nails. So you can also apply to your natural nails as well, otherwise you can just go ahead and apply with your artificial nails. So here today I'll be applying on my artificial nails. First I'll be applying the base coat.
First I'll apply the base coat.
I'll go with this light pink color. Now I'll brush off the excess. Again I'll apply the base coat. And then again I'll brush off the excess. good with the second one, you can stop it. Otherwise, you could just go ahead and apply the third layer as well. It's the first color. It looks very beautiful. So now I'll go ahead and apply the base coat for all the nails. Again, I'll go with the base coat first. Apply the blue color. Now you can just brush off the excess. Again, I'll just go and apply the base coat. Two coats should be more than enough. You can just remove the excess from the sides. And apply the base coat. Apply the base coat again.
Again, I'll apply the base coat.
Again, I'll just go ahead and apply the base coat. Wow, this color looks so amazing. I didn't expect to be, this color to be so good. So this was a dark color. This seems to be a light color. So I'll just go ahead and apply this one. First, I'll go with the base coat. For the second step, I'll go and apply the activator. Just go and do a little bit of filing.
Next, I'll go with the gel top.
So basically, to make it glossy, you can just apply this on top of this. Nail art doesn't need a dryer, or you don't need a LED lamp to cure this nails, and it dries very fast, and it is also a skin friendly. So this gives you a flawless coverage, and also these are very premium dip powder nail kit. So this is the first nail art what I have created, and it looks amazing. So in this kit you will have all the matte colors and shimmer colors. You can just mix and match, and you can just create a very beautiful nail art. This is a second nail art, and this is a matte finish, and if you need a glossy finish, you can just apply a top coat. This nail kit is super affordable. To purchase this, you can directly check out Amazon, or else I'll provide you the link in my description box. I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and yeah, thank you so much. Keep supporting and keep loving me in this way, and see you until my next video. Bye bye.